This is a used 2011 Hyundai Elantra, powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, iPod integration, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Freedom Ford of Lebanon is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Highway 19, Lebanon, Virginia, 24266.